This video will go over example 2 of the week 4 t-tests for difference in means SPSS interpretation exercise. This example walks you through how to do a paired samples interpret a paired samples dependent means t-test. Okay, so in this example there's a group of 20 people. They had their percentage of body fat measured before and after participating in a diet and exercise program. And based on the output below, we're going to answer the question, does a diet and exercise program reduce the percentage of body fat? Okay, so interpreting the SPSS output for a t-test but for paired samples or dependent means is even easier than interpreting the t-test for independent means. Now the output, the SPSS output that we get right here, will look a little bit different but includes a lot of the same statistics. So here we don't have to interpret Levene's test for equality of variances. That's not a part of this paired samples t-test. And so we can look right at the significance value or the p-value for the t-value in the paired samples test table. Okay, so again, in this paired samples test table, this top table, you're going to get your basic statistics, descriptive statistics. So pre and post. So these are your before they participated. There's their mean body fat, and then after they participated, there's their mean body fat. Then you see the number of people at each time point, and then you see the standard deviation. So those are the basic statistics. Now when we jump down to the bottom, we see our paired samples test statistics. So we can jump right over here to our significance value, our p-value, and see that it's 0.01. So in this example, the p-value is less than our alpha of 0.05, which means we can reject our null hypothesis that there's no difference between the means and write up our results include that there is a significant difference in body fat between pre-test and post-test when participating in this diet and exercise program. Now, this is how you're going to write up the results. This is the example in bold. And so these results and your results when you're practicing it should follow this exact formula. According to a paired samples t-test, there was a significant difference in the percentage of body fat measured before and after participation in the diet and exercise program. Now, after you write the percentage of body fat before, then you're going to, in parentheses, put the statistics for the pre-test or the before they participated in the program. So as you can see, in parentheses, we have the mean equals 18.70 and the standard deviation equals 1.30. And as you can see, that matches what's up here on our pre-test line. And after the word after, in parentheses, you're going to, again, do the same thing, write those statistics, the mean and the standard deviation found in the same table next to post-test. Okay, you can see how these numbers, m equals 0.1470, matches exactly what's up here. Okay, and then after a semicolon, you're going to write t, put in the degrees of freedom, equals, put in the t-value, and then comma, put in the p-value. And I'll show you exactly where to find that. T, and in parentheses, the degrees of freedom. Where in this table do you see a 19? Right here. Here's our degrees of freedom. Very easy and clear. Equals, then we want our t-value. Where can you see 11.76 in this table? 11.76, do we see it anywhere? Ah, there it is. 11.76, rounded to the nearest second decimal place. Okay, and then we put in our p-value. P equals 0.01. Where's our 0.01? There it is. And that's how you write up a paired samples t-test.